This morning, we're hearing from students. HISC now Trey Serna sat down with a roundtable of 8th graders, and they told him that they enjoy the change in campus culture and how their academics are structured. They say it's really helping them learn.
What I love most about my school is that they made it more like socially interactive. And they also kept in mind the people that don't want to be that social and just want to stay to themselves, but also do their work. So that's what I like about this school right now.
Wonderful. So would you say that you feel really supported with your environment and your teachers and everything?
Yes, I feel very supported, accepted also, and yeah, it helps a lot.
I feel that this school is more unified now, and it also helps you like understand the lessons, the amount of work they give us, and how they put all the slides and all the work and stuff. It helps us like get a real good grip on it and like, get a good understanding on it.
I agree with Josue. It helps us stay engaged in the classrooms with the new MRS strategies and the new NES system.
Wonderful. How about you?
I also agree with Nieves says because I do feel supported and accepted here as well while they are helping us to learn.
I also like that how they let you, like, when you interact with other people, you can also interact with your friends or new people. So you have opportunity to either talk to your friends if you don't feel comfortable with talking to others, or talk, if you're comfortable, you could talk with others too.
And notice their hoodies, not just a fashion statement. Principal Lewis tells us students earn them and trophies. She says they love wearing the hoodies because of what they represent.
This hoodie, something that it means to me is an achievement because I got it by doing good academically in my tests and everything. So it's really a reminder for me that I did very good and that I should keep doing good at school.
Like he said, it's like an achievement, and to me, it's like a rank because like when you get the master's hoodie, when you do really good, you get a really high grade, and so you get appreciated by they give you this hoodie and you can wear the hood.
It represents my determination because wearing this is like a badge of honor, like he said, and also it shows my perseverance through all like everything, and it shows how I should keep doing better and keep doing it because it shows how I can achieve more great things.
Wonderful.
I agree with what Raina said because to me it also is like a badge of honor because it shows how hard I've worked to achieve it.